Nature Symphony, exploring nature's changes. Welcome to our magical journey through the seasons. Nature has so much to show us as it changes throughout the year. Let's explore together. Say hello to spring. Spring. It's the time when everything wakes up from its winter slumber. Look at the trees turning green again and flowers blooming everywhere. Where squirrels are busy collecting nuts to store for the upcoming winters, and butterflies emerge from their cocoons, spreading joy with their vibrant colors. Happy summer! Summer is here! The sun shines bright and it's time for some fun in the sun! Where bears fish in the streams to stock up for the colder months ahead, and bees are busy collecting nectar to make delicious honey. Happy Thanksgiving! As summer bids farewell, autumn arrives with its beautiful colors and crisp air. Look at the leaves turning golden and dancing in the wind. Foxes hunt for food to store in their dens for the long winter, and birds embark on long journeys to warmer places, escaping the cold winter. Hey, winter! Winter blankets the land with its glistening snow, and nature takes a rest. It's a time for peace and quiet. Penguins thrive in the icy waters, diving deep to catch fish for their families. And there you have it, the wonderful journey through the seasons. Each one has its own magic and beauty, teaching us valuable lessons about change and adaptation in nature. Join us next time for more exciting adventures in the world around